Guys, look what's going on here. Police everywhere. So I think we should describe real quick what's happening.
Yeah. We were just at home, like cooking, doing our work.
And then
a huge
earthquake. We thought
maybe an earthquake,
but it was a
bomb.
Explosion right next to our building.
The walls shook, everything shook.
Everything.
So we ran outside. All the neighbors came out because they also like felt the shake.
Yeah.
And then we came out here and there was nothing going on. So we were like, what could it have been?
Yeah,
I was like, Jeremy.
To be serious, so anyway.
We came out here right after the bomb, which we thought happened, but there was nothing going on.
Only the signal was like, please, like from the hotel. Please stay in the hotel. Don't use elevators. Blah blah blah.
They closed down Highland.
They completely
really big street.
I would say almost Hollywood. They closed almost Hollywood here.
Well, we just live here. That's crazy.
The news is coming.
Holy shit, guys. That's a serious game here.
The helicopter,
no joke.
look, there's like 4 helicopters in the sky.
4 helicopters, but I think you can't see it, guys. Oh, here, there we go. 1, and I think there are like a lot of others. Yeah, it's like.
But what's crazy is like we went back inside because nothing was going on outside.
Yeah, just heard some, like I would say, a couple of cars.
Couple sirens, and like everyone went back to their own thing. And then I went outside for a second and then saw this going on.
Holy
shit. We still really don't know what happened, but...
And for all, I would say also that it could be really for all people in Germany, who don't understand English, especially for our mom. Also, wir sind da gerade mitten in Hollywood und neben uns, das Hotel, da ist eine Bombe eingeschlagen, oder zumindest ist eine Bombe explodiert, sind wir so im Keller anscheinend. Es hat alles geschickt, die ganze Buden, alles komplett vibriert. Und jetzt ist das da draußen los. Also, das ist no joke. Das ist echt kein Joke mehr.
You guys, I would say we come back to you when we know the next update.
Yeah.
Okay, Google, Musik aus. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Jeremy, please explain the situation from yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Sorry guys, little blackout for me. There was an explosion in the restaurant right next to our street, like it was not in a hotel or something, so yeah, it was a gas accident. But yeah, everything was fine, but it was shaking here in this room, but everything was shaking. And I would say now we're heading to Palm Springs. As you can see, full production team
on the road.
On the road. Junior!
Why doesn't my horn work? Run, Marcy! Wait, but this is a serious issue.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, because I don't know, bro.
Babe, we have a really bad issue.
What?
My horn doesn't work.
I think that's not a small problem, to be honest. Fine, and then everybody's honking around.
Is it just because the car's off? Let's
see.
Oh, yeah. Try your best.
So guys, we arrived now to our first location, but it's really sunny. Jeremy's outside. Look at guys.
Look at this food.
Let's upload the video. Oh, shit. I'm sick and it's windy and I have to upload the video. I'm from Europe, Palm Springs. What else? I'm from Europe.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil, bro. Sorry.
Jeremy looks like a creep.
Oh. No way. Ladies first.
Did you need a receipt today?
Nope. Moaci is going hard again.
Always. Upload the video, guys.
But I'm excited.
I hope you like this video. The new laptop, you know, the new baby, we're going hard here. But it's pretty cool, so we will first get a jacket.
Moaci, real quick question. Do you saw that so many old people are here in Palm Springs?
So many old, I think it's like a senior area in general. Only at Coachella, this town is like alive and it's going down here. During the whole year, it's a little bit boring.
Guys, sorry, we're in the desert jungle, I would call this. But really cool. You know, guys, to get the best shots you have to do also things like this. Kai said it's a cool location.
Is it? Or or not?
It's cool. I would say.
Cool. I would say, look guys, I never saw something like this now. I touched
Wow.
it. World first. Don't trip, don't fall.
How are you?
Don't kiss a
Walk with open eyes this time, please.
Okay, let's go on.